Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how you can fix the service is not available in your country in Etoro. There is many reasons for this to not work. The main reason is basically that the service of Etoro is not really working in your area. Now to know if your country is eligible for Etoro, there is this page by the support team basically saying that if Etoro is blocked in your country. So, due to regularity requirements and business decisions made or based on risk management considerations, eToro services are not available in the following countries' jurisdiction. These restrictions are subject to change from time to time and primarily affect new eToro customers. And these are the countries. So here you have Afghanistan, Land Island, Albania, Algeria, Angola, Anguilla, etc. And you can go all the way down here and you can view like there is Egypt, Cuba, Chad, Canada, even here. As you can see, all of these countries are basically not available or blocked at the moment. India, even Iran, Iraq, Jamaica, Japan, Jordan, Kazakhstan, Kenya, Libya, Liberia, all of these countries are basically not acceptable by them. So once you go here, just simply check if these basically one of these countries is yours, and you will end up seeing that these countries are gonna be not available, or basically your country is not available or blocked. But in case it wasn't blocked, it was not in this list, then simply go to the system and check if you are basically, if there is any problem with the system like this here, check this page. In case there was no problem, just make sure that you are not using any VPN that could interrupt you from connecting. And the last solution is to turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it back on. This could switch up the IP address and basically return you to your original IP of your country. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching.